Okay, here's our room. It's a Spa Club Balcony 14152, and here we go. So as we come in, the bathroom's right there to the left. We'll get back to that. We have our desk. Very important to know about the plugs. There's 2 European and there's 2 American plugs there. There are not plugs next to the bed, so you'll want to make sure you have some sort of splitters to charge all your devices. We've got our bed next to the balcony. The couch that converts to another bed. There is storage underneath. If you pull those drawers out, you can always store some things down there. Otherwise, you've got your TV on the wall next to the desk. The hairdryer is under the vanity, and there's a couple storage compartments there. In this one is the mini fridge. Over here is the closet. I'll get my wife in the shot. You have hanging on the one side. Because it's a spa room, we have the robes and the slippers included there. And then on the other side, we have shelves in the safe. I really like that they have that full-length shelf up above there. That's usually, since I'm tall, where most of my stuff goes. As we go back into the bathroom, you can see you've got the toilet there. Plenty of room around the toilet. Double sink. And then we do have a nice big shower. Glass doors. And you've got the rain shower head with body sprays down underneath. Again, a feature for being a Spa Club balcony room. Moving back towards the back, we have our bed. We chose to have them pushed together. It does have a small nightstand on either side. You've got the reading lights. There is storage up above for papers or magazines. And then off to the balcony. Balcony really has room for 2. You've got 2 chairs and a small table. And of course, there's our view of New York, New Jersey on that side, New York on this side. So we're really looking forward to this and hope you guys enjoyed the video.